everybody. Today I am here once again to take your English lessons. The other 3 days we have studied different stories, very interesting stories. Now today we are going to the 4th lesson, that is an Indian American woman in space. Who is that? Kalpana Chawla. Okay, this lesson is somewhat different from the other 3 lessons. Other 3 lessons were very light, very enjoyable. It's story-like, and you can, after hearing the summary, you can just read and understand it easily. But this lesson is about space. Okay? So, it is, and the words are also a little bit difficult. I will read the lesson for you after the explanation of the lesson. Okay, so let's go to the lesson first. And Kalpana Chawla basically was a second astronaut of Indian origin to be in space after the squadron leader Captain Rakesh Sharma. He was the first Indian person to go to space, and Kalpana Chawla is the second. Okay, she is from a village. Kalpana Chawla belongs to a village, and her village was born in Kannur. Kannur is in Haryana state. She is an Indian, but she was from Haryana state near Chandigarh, and the name of her village is Kannur. So, and she did her studies in Tagore College. She has completed her studies in Tagore College, Chandigarh. After that, she wanted to do her higher studies abroad in United States of America. But her father was not willing. There was protest from her father. But she did not, even though he was unwilling, she proceeded to the United States of America, and she did her PhD in astronautical research and space research. So where did she did her PhD? She has done her PhD from United States of America. In which subject? She specialized in astronautical research and space research. And after doing that, she got a license. She got the license to fly a single engine and also the double engine aeroplane. That's glider and planes. She got the license to fly aeroplanes and gliders. Okay, then after that, now she is in United States of America. She got married. She got married to Sean Pierre Harrison. This is Gean, but we pronounce it as Sean Pierre Harrison. He was also in the same field. He is also a flight instructor, and she got married to that person. Unlike her father, Sean was very cooperative, and he supported Chawla, Kalpana Chawla, very much. She wanted to go to space, and she was doing research, and she likes to go to space. And Sean was also willing and supporting and assisting and guiding her to do that venture. Okay, so after that she went to with the help of her husband. She had done a space travel, and the name of that shuttle was Columbia. So from Cape Canaveral, Cape Canaveral, Florida, she had entered into the space shuttle Columbia along with a Japanese astronaut and also a Ukraine astronaut. There were three in as crew: Kalpana Chawla, a Japanese astronaut, as well as a Ukrainian astronaut. Three of them started their journey from Cape Canaveral, Florida. That time it was a beautiful morning, and her family was, father was also there, and they were, first the father was against, but now he became very proud to see that her own daughter going to space, and the whole family stood. They had a glorious moment. They stood and they witnessed as the shuttle moved towards the space. And after reaching the space, she had taken, she had revolved around the earth 252 times. Okay, so in order to revolve around the earth, it will take a day. So it was somewhat equivalent to 252 times means 252 days we can equivalent like that. She had taken revolved around the earth, and total 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes she was in the space. In the space, then they were doing some sort of experiments. They wanted to, they have conducted some experiments, like they wanted to pollinate. They wanted to see that whether in the space is there the plants would be developed. We can develop the plants for food. So they started to pollinating plants, and they observed the food growth in space. The three of them started to do experiments by pollinating plants to observe what is the chances of growth for plants in the space. And another, they wanted to do, they also done some experiments how the computer chips will be faster and stronger in the space. So they were doing some sort of experiments in the space for 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. Okay, and on a fine morning they thought it is time for us to go back to our earth. So they started their return to earth. As they have started in the upper atmosphere itself, their shuttle Columbia got blessed. Unfortunately, before reaching to the earth, their shuttle Columbia burst in the upper atmosphere. The whole people on earth, especially her own parents, relatives and friends, all were watching this, and they were awe-stricken. And it was a sleepless night for the people of her village, Colonel. They were thinking that what will happen to her, and they were praying that she should have a safe landing. But destiny was another, so she lost her life. Okay, that was, and when she was in the space, she wrote to her, she remembered her students of her college, that is in Kernel, and she told them, the path from dreams to success does exist. If you want to reach, if you want to achieve something, first of all we should have a dream, and there is a path from dream to the success. And she wrote that the path from dreams to success does exist, and it is our own wish whether we should work hard for it or not. Definitely there is a success, but we have to work hard for it, and we have to we should have that. There will be some difficulties when we work for that. There will be some difficulties. We have to face it. We should have the courage to face whatever difficulties and sadness and bad days comes. We have to face it. So we should have the strong mind, willpower to face everything, and also the perseverance. If we get some success, we should be in that. We should have the perseverance. That is what Kalpana Chawla's life taught the students. And she, before her death, she wrote to her. She sent message to her students at her college in Kernel. This is what we have to do. We have also to remember in our life. If we have some dreams, there will be definitely some bad things also. But don't fail. When we see such things, don't fail. Don't lose heart. Take courage. Have faith. Have faith in yourself, and also have faith in God. And go, proceed. And persevere in that stage. Don't leave it up. So that is what Kalpana Chawla had given through her life. Now, I'll read the lesson for you. All of you take your lessons, and it's very important that some difficult words are there. I'll just read the lesson for you. All of you listen. Okay. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Kernel that she would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. She had graduated from the school of Tagore College. After a Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia liftoff. Kalpana was born in Kernel, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen. Naturalized. She adopted, becoming after marriage. She got married to Sean Pierre Harrison. So she became an American citizen. The flight instructor, Sean Pierre Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. She was also a certified flight instructor. She can teach how to fly. Those who are coming for training, she is an instructor. Flight instructor. After qualifying a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge. applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist. Okay, in the NASA Space Shuttle program, she wanted to apply. She applied, and at first there was hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, "I really never ever thought, while pursuing my studies or doing anything else, that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country." She never thought that I'm a woman and I'm not from a city, and also I'm not from America. I'm an Indian. People will think that only American people could do all these things. But she never thought like that. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else, and I followed them. And people who were around me, fortunately, always encouraged me and said, "If that's what you want to do, carry on." Her husband and other people also encouraged her. If you wanted to become as a space traveler, okay, you may carry on. Kalpana's first space mission in the Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the Earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration. In a message that she sent from abroad, the Space Shuttle Columbia, to students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist." What's that? The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the encourage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. Kalpana Chawla had given message from space. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams. So this is the end of our lesson. I will be sending notes in that class. Okay, read the lessons many times. This is not 3 times, more than at least three times you have to read and get it signed and send me to my personal WhatsApp so that I will understand that you have read the lesson. Okay, you are sending the notes. Don't forget to send the notes. After the lesson, attending the class, you have to send the notes. Okay, take care. Then bye.